Okay, the next section on the Etsy category of the Tiksale website is the search history. This is very self-explained. This is the keyword research history. So the section up here that I've covered before, keyword research, this is your history on them keywords. So maybe you have forgotten some of the keywords you wanted to use, or you're not sure. You're not sure if maybe one of the ones you tried before is doing very well, and you want to go back and visit that. This is a good place where you can see all of your searches. We have 8 here as examples. That's what I've been working through the categories, but over time this could be built up to many pages, many types, and you can see again. So we can see here there's 3 different searches for the same keyword, poster, 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 but these are on different days, and we can see that over the different days they have changed. Maybe there's more engagement or less engagement, or more searches or less searches. So this could be useful information to know that is my keyword growing and more people searching this, or is it shrinking and maybe I should use different keywords. So this could be a really useful tool, again saving time and effort if you want to just have a quick scan about your history and what words you've been looking at. All right, thank you. That's keyword research.